Are you facing a connection error in Google Play Store? Connection errors can occur due to several reasons, including poor internet connectivity, account issues, or app settings. In this video, I will walk you through some various solutions to fix the Google Play Store connection error effectively. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check Advanced Internet Settings. Open Settings, scroll down to Developer Options, tap on, scroll down to Networking section, toggle on the Wi-Fi scan throttling and mobile data always active. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap Apps. Find out Google Play Store, tap on it. After that, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache. Reopen the Google Play Store. Check if the problem is solved. Solution 3. Clear cache and data for Google Play Services. Go one step back, find out Google Play Services, tap Storage, select Clear Cache, then tap Manage Storage, and select Clear All Data. Restart your device to refresh everything. Reopen the Play Store app to see if the problem still persists. Solution 4. Check Date and Time Settings. Open Settings, go to General Management, tap Date and Time. Enable Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone. If the date or time is incorrect, it can cause connection issues with the Play Store. Solution 5. Remove and re-add your Google account. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage Account. Select the account connected to the Play Store app. Restart your device. Go back to Settings. Open Accounts and Backup again. Tap on Manage Accounts. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Add Account, select Google, and after that, enter the Gmail and password to add that account again. Solution 6. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap on General Management, select Reset, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings, select Reset Settings. After that, tap on Reset. This may take a few seconds. After that, go back one step. This will reset all network settings, which may help resolve the connection issue. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful to you, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.